Hello students, welcome to Western Educators. Today we are going to learn article writing, which is an important part of the creative writing skills section in class 12 CBSE English. The question carries 5 marks in the board examination, and if you follow the correct format and structure, you can easily score full marks. In this video, we will understand the format, structure, important tips, and a sample article. What is an article? Article is a piece of writing written for a newspaper, magazine, or school publication. The purpose of an article is to express the writer's opinion, discusses a current issue, informs and persuades readers. So, an article is not just information, it also shows the writer's ideas and perspective on the topic. Let us see the marking scheme and word limit. So, it carries 5 marks. It comes under creative writing, section B, 5 marks, and the word limit for this is 120 to 150 words. These are the important marking scheme. For format, you will be given 1 mark. Organization of ideas, you will be given 1 mark. For the content, you will be given 2 marks. And for accuracy of spelling and grammar, which is called as expression, you will be given 1 mark. Totally, it is 5. So first, the format. Second, the content or ideas. Third, organization of paragraph. And finally, the language used. You should always remember clear structure and good language will help you score better marks. So now we are going to see the sample question. You are Rahul Ria, a student of class 12. You have noticed that many students spend most of their time on mobile phones and computers and do not engage in physical activities. Write an article in 120 to 150 words on the topic the importance of physical fitness for students, highlighting the benefit of physical activity and suggesting ways to encourage students to maintain a healthy lifestyle. So, as soon as you come across the question, what you must do? See, this is very important. What you must do first is, and before that, very important note I gave you there as a note in yellow colored font. An article is not boxed. A box has been used here as a tool for clear illustration alone. So please don't draw the box. First, you have to write a title. So the title will always illustrate thematic connect. That is, it should be eye-catching. And then byline. Byline will always be name, designation of the writers, usually fictitious. Fictitious if the question does not give you name. If it gives you name, you are going to write that name. And then introductory paragraph, which is relevant topic, sentence, and expansion. Then development of the topic which you are given should be in 1 or 2 paragraph. In that development of topic, you are going to discuss of various aspects of the topic, that is causes, effects, etc., presented strongly with evidence. Then conclusion paragraph. Here you should write writer's opinion, comments, recommendations or solutions, plus hope or call for action and warning. So this part is very, very important, which always you must understand that this is the key given by CBSE. So if you follow this framework, surely you will get complete mark for your format. Please understand, it is format. Then you are going to write a model answer for the question you were given before. Here, the answer is the importance of physical fitness for students should be the title. You can see this page on the left side after the margin. You can see one rough line. Let's take it is 2 mm from your in your answer sheet. So you are going to draw a rough line, and in the right side also there is a rough line. So you should not start before or after the starting line, and you should not exceed the end line. So for that is the purpose for drawing this rough line. And after you complete writing the answer, that is first part is title and byline, second part is the introductory part, and the third one is body part, and the fourth one is conclusion part. So after completing this, you are going to move to the next part, is answer. You see, I'll just read the answer for you. Physical fitness plays a crucial role in the holistic development of students. In an age of dominated by technologies, many students spend excessive time on mobile phones and computers, leading to a sedentary lifestyle. Sedentary lifestyle such habits not only affect physical health but also reduce concentration and productivity. Engaging in regular physical activities such as sports, yoga, and exercise strengthen the body and refreshes the mind. It improves stamina, boosts immunity, and enhances mental alertness. Students who maintain good physical fitness are often more energetic and capable of performing better in their academic pursuits. Therefore, schools and parents must encourage students to adopt an active lifestyle, allocating time for sports and outdoor activities can greatly benefit students. After all, a healthy body fosters a healthy mind, which is essential for success in both education and life. You can note in this page, let us take this as an example paper of your board examination. See, as I told you, the last slide you can see there was a rough line, and now in this page there is no rough lines. I erased everything. So you are going to erase everything when the final answer comes, so that you can see it looks neat. Near that margin you can see perfect gap. So it is now perfectly written, perfectly presented. That is very, very important. Now let us look at some important tips to score high marks. Always write a clear and meaningful title. Always write a clear and meaningful title. Use formal language because this is not a personal letter or casual writing. Organize your ideas into proper paragraphs. Then try to include examples or logical points to support your ideas. Then finally, end the article with a strong conclusion or suggestion. Then what are the things should be avoided? Do not use informal expression, that is informal language. Do not write very long sentences and do not exceed the word limit. These are the very important things you must do and should not do. Here are some final tips for the board exam. Write 120 to 150 words. Follow the correct format. Maintain clarity and logical flow of ideas. Use simple but effective vocabulary. If you practice writing articles on different topics, you will definitely be able to score full marks in the examination. If you found this video helpful, please Like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you and happy learning.